5 little frogs sitting by the shore.
Ribbit, ribbit.
Then there were 4. Splash went 1 into sparkling sea. Now 4 little frogs smiling happily.
Hop, hop, hop along.
Sing a happy froggy song.
Ribbit, ribbit, loud and strong. Come and hop and sing along.
4 little frogs on a lily so green, jumping up and down in a happy scene. 1 hopped away with a giggly glee. Now 3 little frogs by the tree.
Hop, hop, hop along.
Sing a happy froggy song.
Ribbit, ribbit, loud and strong. Come and hop and sing along.
3 little frogs catching flies so blue. 1 jumped high and away he flew. Splash in the pond with a joyful woo. Now 2 little frogs saying how do you do. 2 little frogs under the bright sunshine, croaking together,
Everything's fine.
1 skipped off to have some fun. Now there's only 1. 1 little frog with a great big grin jumped in the pond with a happy spin. Then all 5 friends came back to play, ribbiting, laughing the rest of the day.
Hop, 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 hooray.
Froggy friends love to play.
Ribbit, ribbit, clap along.
Everyone sing the froggy song.
Hop, hop,
Jump around. Happiest frogs in Froggy Town.